we're going to a different economy, and we're going to be learning more about that as we go. But clearly, we're learning that things can be done from remote locations. We're learning that technology can replace people even more than we thought.
We're not going back to the same economy. We're recovering, but to a different economy, and it'll be one that is more leveraged to technology. And I worry that that is going to make it even more difficult than it was for many workers.
In Silicon Valley, and my friends who work in technology know that what we did to the manufacturing workers, we are now going to do to the retail workers, the call center workers, the fast food workers, the truck drivers, and then even bookkeepers, accountants, insurance agents, lawyers, and on through the economy. So what happened to the manufacturing workers is a very clear sign.
This effort. And China has big plans for this. They intend to seed their digital yuan into the global environment by giving it away to visitors at next winter's Olympics. When they arrive at the airport, they're going to get yuan digital wallets. They're going to receive digital yuan. They're going to use it throughout their visits to Beijing, and then they're going to take it back to their home countries. They see this as a huge advantage. Why? Because who controls the underlying protocols, who controls the underlying standards of the future of money will control the future of money.
Welcome to the Crypto Teacher. And guys, please like and subscribe if you do like what you're listening to. Please inform your friends and family and spread all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works. Because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that it is all planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and the new Road Order book. Remember, those books are mandatory because they show you how the world really works, plus the 3 kids books. Also, those who donate to the Cash App, Patreon, much love, keep it coming. And then also those who are shopping at both stores, much love, keep it coming. And of course, guys, we get into Bitcoin and cryptos first. And as we can see, we're definitely moving up. If we go to Grayscale, what happened, guys? Almost did $3 billion. So only thing you have to do is pay attention to the moving pieces. We know it's manipulation with the Fed and Grayscale. And just like I stated, guys, and they do it through the stable coins. That's why stable coins are so important. So guys, make sure you're paying attention to the actual indicators. We have volume, we have Tether, and we have USDC. Now, the Fed did over $1 trillion for the weekend, guys, plus they're going to do another $1 trillion on Monday. So remember, that's going to be $2 trillion of liquidity in the market for stocks and in cryptos to manipulate those yields. And we know Grayscale was quiet for a little while, but if you're buying 1, 2, and 3 billion or selling 1, 2, and 3 billion, guys, we know that's going to swing the market. So just like I said, guys, just make sure you're paying attention to the moving pieces. Now, of course, guys, we're going to get into the actual crypto news. We have Binance suspends futures products in Brazil. So Binance clearly lets us know that some type of regulation is around the corner. We know ISO is definitely going to be here next year in November. That is a guarantee. Now, we have American investors inclined to buy crypto with credit card, new study revealed. Now, I'm not your financial advice, not financial advice. Please do your own research. But I definitely would not buy cryptos unless I know what I'm actually doing. Guys, we know that the Fed wants to wipe this American economy out. That's the reason why they shut down small businesses and actually paid people money to sit at home. This is a strategic plan to move us over to this digital economy. Yes, cryptos are going to take a hit and stocks are going to take a hit. But if you can endure the pain, fourth industrial revolution stocks and cryptos, you're definitely going to be rewarded. Now we have advisor shares files for Bitcoin Futures ETF. And guys, again, we know that all the legacy products are going to be tokenized and put on blockchain. Also, we have Neuberger Berman's 164 million commodities fund can now invest 5% into Bitcoin. And every day, guys, we're seeing these big funds, big banks coming out saying that they're actually investing in Bitcoin or some type of product that gives exposure to Bitcoin. Now we have Missouri mayor suggests giving residents up to $1,000 in Bitcoin. And we know this is all about adoption. And remember what I tell you guys, crypto means hidden message. These cryptos are definitely not for us. These cryptos are for the robots, algorithms, and drones. Now we have Taprio's 10K holdings and Acuna Capital buys 100 million stake in Bitcoin's options exchange Durabit. And guys, what does that tell us? That the casino is just starting. And lastly, guys, we have Helping Afghanistan, organizations currently accepting crypto donations. And guys, if you have my book, you understand that this is definitely all planned out. This is all a game. You are definitely inside of a movie. But if you're given to any organization, make sure you are doing your research. If you have my New World Order book, you know majority of these organizations, the New World Order created. So they even get your donations to fund whatever they plan on doing. It is definitely amazing. But we know when it comes to the New World Order, it's all planned out. But guys, all I have for you, don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher and the New World Order book. Also, the 3 kids books, It's Time to Re-Educate. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance, do not forget book links and crypto links are in the description. The Cryptoteacher stock channel, Cryptoteacher stocks. So you have your Kobo, your chip stocks, your banking, your gaming, where everybody's sitting at home, get that home stocks to see where the biotech stocks and where everybody's at home getting free money or waiting on that free money. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks and you have a wonderful day.
Uber, Bitcoin, self-driving cars. Combine those 3 together and you have the self-owning taxi. A car that is a corporation that owns itself, pays for the car lease, the car insurance, and the gasoline from the revenues it makes, giving passengers a ride, and there's not a single human involved in that matter.
This yesterday on the panel that I think central bank digital currencies were concocted in hell by Satan himself. They are incredible control by governments over everybody's bank account, and they are they're going to create a void of privacy for every individual citizen. I think they're horrible, but I think that's where
The most powerful person in the world is the storyteller. The storyteller sets the vision, values, and agenda of an entire generation to come. Steve Jobs. And guys, you know I truly believe in this. When you look at the New World Order, they're the storytellers. And that's the reason why I wrote my New World Order book. But guys, now it's time to change the current generation. And I wrote 3 kids books. You know I love the Trinity because I understand the power that's in it. So I have 3 books. We have an opportunity to change the generation, to educate, not just me, but I want to show you that I take action on a daily basis. And I want you to take action on a daily basis. Whether it's your job, whether it's in your community, we have an opportunity right now to educate the masses. I posted this on my Twitter account. Please share, but this is a short clip of the 3 books. There's going to be a clothing line and action figures. Please get these books for your kids, nephews, cousins, friends, so therefore we can start the re-education now. Because as we see, the 4th Industrial Revolution foundation is definitely here. Robots, algorithms, drones, taking humanity out the picture. We have to re-educate. But let's get into the video.
Part 1. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save the village. Part 2. King Joshua and Grandma Tam save New York from COVID-33. Part 3. King Joshua and Grandma Tam goes to China.
It's mandatory to get part 1, part 2, and part 3 of this series. It's time to re-educate Generation Z.